Boy.
Juno.
Both hind legs or back legs got this leg partly man. Right.
Left is more, but both legs not. He came and took exercise 3 months back. He's now what? He's walking properly enough. So we are waiting for it to do.
Juno, look at
Very
me.
tough happen, then we'll go for that.
Give her.
Swimming is the good exercise. Getting swimming. Taking. Very good, Juno. Good.
Good boy. Juno, good boy.
First 1 or 2 lap is very scared of water. He took it. Nicely swimming. Without fear. Oh. Come. Juno. Come back.